Useful phrases for daily use in Swahili. Number 1. Habari yako. How are you? Habari yako. How are you? Number 2. Very good. Nzuri sana. Very good. Nzuri sana. Number 3. Thank you very much. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Asante sana. Number 4. You are welcome. Karibu. You are welcome. Karibu. Number 5. Excuse me. Samahani. Excuse me. Samahani. Sorry. Samahani. Sorry. Samahani. I am sorry. Samahani. Number 6. I need help. I need help. Naomba msaada, sorry. I need, naomba, help, msaada. Naomba msaada. I need help. Number 7. I will see you later. Nitakuona baadaye. I'll see you later. Nitakuona baadaye. I'll see you, nitakuona, later, baadaye. I'll see you later. Nitakuona baadaye. Number 8. I am happy to see you. Ninafurahi kukuona. I am happy to see you. Ninafurahi kukuona. I am happy, ninafurahi, to see you, kukuona. Ninafurahi kukuona. I am happy to see you. Number 9. What is your name? Jina lako ni nani? What is your name? Jina lako ni nani? What is your, jina lako, name nani? What is your name? Jina lako ni nani? My name is, jina langu ni. My name, jina langu is ni. My name is, jina langu ni. Please like, subscribe, and share for more. And I also teach online. You can DM me. My WhatsApp number is at the end of the video. Thank you and